What's up, guys? Back with another part.
Yay! There's no shorter home. Yeah.
Johnny's dead and you're throwing a fucking party?
Well, when you say it like that, sure it sounds bad.
I was saddled up in a human pony show. But you see me crying about a little girl.
I swear to God, I will shove that thing down your throat hole.
Whoa, Shandi, you can't mourn that forever. Eventually, you gotta get back on the horse. No offense, brother.
He's right.
Whatever.
Damn, girl, life is for the living and shit. You know what I'm saying?
It's so pretty to see it. Whatever we speak that, yeah, I get busy. I'm an actual, I'm too busy.
All I want is
What's up, girl?
what are they keeping on?
Oh, shit! These hoes ain't hoes!
Dragonfire, are you even there?
Yeah. Since this is a strip club, better get the dildo out.
It's the blood pumping to my loins. Oh!
All of them will be ours. Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Coming through.
Who got down?
That's good. He's supposed to fall. He's supposed to get almost killed.
Don't look at me. This is all from City's Black Book.
Well, what can I say? The bitches love me. Oh, I'm really feeling that love right now. What happened to the power?
I was gonna ask you the same thing.
This ain't on me, baby. I like looking at the goods when I have company. You know what I'm saying?
They must have cut. Never a dull moment.
Looks like there's a light show outside.
Sniper, better grab a rifle and get up top. Got it.
I don't even want to take my rifle.
Well, get your back while you take out those snipers.
Who needs that when you got
Okay,
a freaking mind control?
look, it's a very far drop, but you'll be okay. Whoops, forgot your parachute. I hope you didn't need that.
Oh yeah.
I hope you didn't need the freaking, Oh yeah, dude.
What?
For this whole time we've been playing, I forgot to record.
Uh-huh.
This whole time I forgot to record.
You haven't been recording.
No, it turns out my phone got turned off and all the data got erased.
So you haven't been recording.
No, I'm just
Okay.
I'm kidding, I was just trolling you.
Oh, okay. I thought you were more. I wasn't scared either way.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
I'm not gonna yell.
Dude, stop yelling.
Rawr.
Dude! This is a normal YouTube video. Do not scream.
That's your shorty. We're clear.
Let's get some power up in here. I'm tired of tripping over bodies.
That shit's downstairs, after you.
You're worth it.
Don't fuck with the Saints.
Yeah. Well.
I wanted to do it.
No, don't.
A little video, like.
I wanted to do it.
You don't say.